you're about to take the grandest pageant in the whole world. It's very, very soon. So I'm wondering, which activity in Miss Grand International are you looking forward to participate?
I'm looking forward to participate in the closed door interview because I'm excited and both nervous because I don't know kung anong question yung itatanong sa akin ni Papa Nawat this time. But I'm excited kasi it's a one-on-one interview with Papa Nawat and the organizer. So yun siguro yung pina-excited ako. Kasi yun na yung time that I can share my own story.
What about dun sa other segments like the Grand Voice? Meron ka bang niluluto na
I think for this year, they don't have the grand voice. What do they have is the grand talent na. So, pinalitan na siya for this year. Buti na lang, di ba? Pero kahit grand voice yan ilalaban natin. Pero ngayon, I think parang few days pagka-arrive namin doon, magkakaroon na ng audition for the grand talent. Meron siya na audition na magaganap. So for this one, for today, kung sino gusto mag-audition for the Grand Talent, mamimili sila, tapos meron na naman another audition. So parang ganun siya mangyayari. But we're ready.
Alright.